8 is on your side all this week, helping parents fight the dreaded summer slide. We all know that the summer slide can affect children's reading and math skills. They lose some months in between when they left school last. But what about the physical side of learning? This morning, a look at how the summer slide isn't just about falling off the books.
Whether it be with gym class, recess, the day-to-day structure of extracurricular activities when they're in school, it all falls to the wayside in the summer months.
And that physical slide is backed up by research. According to the Florida Education Association, intense physical activity programs have positive effects on academic achievement, including increased concentration, improved mathematics, reading and writing test scores, and reduced disruptive behavior. The traditional sports are fine, but learning new sports can help engage the body and the mind.
At least get them engaged and get them involved with something new to try to test their interests, test their abilities, and find out what they're passionate about.
It's sports like gymnastics that the Y can offer that not many other places can.
This is one that would definitely, boy, girl, no matter the age, get them involved, find out their interest, and it helps with not just the cognitive, but the motor skills, especially at a young age.
Other non-traditional sports that can engage all types of kids include golf, spike ball, swimming, and even a sport that is, right now, mostly played by seniors, but could be coming to kids near you. Pickleball.
It's less strenuous, it's less intense than most of those sports. So if there's a child who might struggle with the intensity of some of those sports, pickleball would be a great transition for that.
There are plenty of options for kids at the Y and many other places, but the important part is to get those kids outside and moving. Gail loves pickleball.
I do.
To learn more about the programs the YMCA offers, as well as some other programs that you can get from other places in the Tampa Bay area, go to this story on our website, WFLA.com. Tomorrow, we'll show you how practicing musical talents can help fight the summer slide. And on Grade 38, tomorrow at 8, we'll have an interview with YMCA, and they can tell us all about what the programs they offer, including camps.
They have great programs, and I do love pickleball, and I love playing the flute, so
yeah.
I'm ready.
She's very
Where's
musical.
the Y camp?
Yep.
No